Hi everyone, and today I'm going to give you an unboxing and review of this LENTION MacBook Screen Protector. So I really liked the design of the packaging, and getting everything open was really quick and easy. Very weirdly, they haven't included any instructions on how to properly install the screen protector, which is really strange, but they do have a YouTube video tutorial on how to do this. So they included a couple of screen wipes and some stickers to hold the screen protector in place, which is really useful, but I wish they had included more. They also have a practice screen protector and a screen protector. I did ask them the difference, and they said that the original screen protector had better light transparency, but from my testing I didn't find this was true. So the screen protector is very thin and also very flimsy, but this wasn't really an issue for me because all I wanted to do was prevent fingerprints from touching the original screen. So the installation process was fairly straightforward. I recommend using some stickers. I also recommend checking out the tutorial that LENTION have posted on YouTube. I'll include a video link in the description. I tried my best to remove some bubbles and I couldn't remove all of them, but from my experience with screen protectors, it's really difficult to do this. So even though there were some bubbles left over, I was still happy with the results. I could only see the bubbles if I was looking at an angle, but whenever I use my MacBook Air, I look at it directly front on. So I found adding the screen protector did make the screen more reflective, but I was still able to do everything I wanted to, like photo editing, and I even tried some gaming as well, and that was absolutely fine. So the benefit of having two screen protectors is that when I installed the practice screen protector, I had one left over. So I installed the original screen protector on a 2020 MacBook Air. So on the left we have the 2020 MacBook Air, and on the right we have the 2021 MacBook Air with the M1 processor. So I found when I compared the two, I generally could not tell the difference between the two. I did notice that the MacBook Air 2021 had slightly better color accuracy, but in terms of the screen protectors there was little to no difference. So if you install the practice screen protector on your MacBook and it works absolutely fine, leave it on because there is no difference. So to summarise, I do think that this is a good value screen protector. Rather than having a practice screen protector and a separate one, they should just call them two screen protectors. But the downside is that it does increase reflections. I would have liked if there were more placement stickers, and also there were no instructions, which were really weird. Also, the day after I applied the screen protector to the 2020 MacBook Air, I did see quite big bubbles, and I think for some people this could be a deal breaker. So overall, I'm going to give this screen protector 4 out of 5. So there was the unboxing and review of this screen protector. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you very much for watching.